In the human world there is nothing more dangerous, nothing more agonizing than that a human being losing his hopes in human beings. And it is more regrettable that, in his madness and hatred of mankind, he would indulge in violence against helpless women and innocent children, thus crushing flower buds before they would blossom or smile. It may be the fields of education or training, information or progress, financial prosperity or political stability, but the branch on which this nest is standing and will always stand, is the environment of human peace and security. Therefore, discussing about the decoration and planning the building of the nest, it is necessary to take care of the safety of the branch on which it is standing or it is going to stand. No work can be done without running the risks and making sacrifices. To build a nation, fostering the sense of humanism, creating the sense of mutual cooperation, trust and affection, we need to make an intrepid, fearless and desperate attempt even at the risk of our lives. India is standing at a crossroad of history. One road leads to destruction, perpetual confusion, decline and downfall, and another leads to permanent peace, security, unity and friendship. At every bend some people appear who change the course of history and turn the tide of events. Their intrepidity, their courage, their frankness, their spirit of sacrifice plays as a savior of the country and entire nation. An old poet has said, "When the wise and determined people get to work, they reclaim the seas and take out rivers from mountains." India on a decisive crossroad. India on
यदि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करने से अपना प्यार दिखाएं, और अगर आप इसे वाकई में प्यार करते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें ताकि आप भविष्य में होने वाली शानदार वीडियो से वंचित न रहें। हमें आपके विचार भी सुनना पसंद होगा। अपनी राय नीचे टिप्पणियों में दें और हम अगले वीडियो में आपका उल्लेख करेंगे।